Hello guys, welcome to SAS TV. In this video, we will unbox Noise ColorFit Pearl Smartwatch. The item is available in Amazon and the link is mentioned in the description box. Alright, I have the scissors handy, let's unbox. Great packaging. We'll open this now. So the box contains the warranty card, stickers, the watch, USB cable and the manual. About the look and basic usages. I chose the color teal green. You also have other color options like deep wine, jade black, mist grey and royal blue. The strap is of good quality. It also has multiple holes for different hand sizes. Very lightweight. In fact, these straps are detachable. You can buy this in Amazon, Flipkart or Go Noise websites. Well, this is how you can charge the watch. Take the USB, plug it into any of your chargers. The other side is magnetic enabled. Just take it near to the charging point and boom. As you see now, the watch has started charging. Alright, to switch on the watch, long press the button in the side of the watch and there you go. Let's focus on pairing and setup now. Open up the Play Store or App Store and search for NoiseFit. Let's click on install and wait for it to get installed. Open the app now. Accept the terms and conditions and click on agree and continue. Click on continue. Choose either of the options. I'll select the Google login for quick and easy sign up. Selecting the account now. Enter your number. Enter the OTP and click on continue again. Now allow NoiseFit to access location. Also let NoiseFit turn on your Bluetooth by clicking on allow. We can see the smartwatch here, but let's use the scan option. It's taking some time. Let's give it a few seconds. And successfully paired. Let's set up the profile now. Click on let's do this and enter your name. Select 5 interests from this list. Click on continue now. Enter your birthday. Select your gender. Now your height either in centimeters or inches. Your weight. And finally your daily step goals. Alright, device setup in progress. And done. Awesome. Let's talk about the features now. Number 1. Waking the watch. Press the side button or use the wrist sensor. Just move your hand and the watch will be awake. Number 2. Navigation. Navigating below shows you the current day's steps, distance, calories burned and weekly total. To see notifications, navigate up. Scroll left to see the settings and right for the watch features. Number 3. Sports mode. You have multiple options like outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, trail run, trekking, treadmill, indoor cycling and yoga. Just click on the right option and after the 3-second timer, the watch will actively monitor your distance covered, heartbeat, BPM, calories and footsteps. The green light in the back side of the watch indicates that. You also have Bluetooth music integrated in sports mode. To pause the session, just press the side button. To end the session, long press the side button and click on the tick icon. And then you will see the details of it. Number 4. Heart rate. You have to wait for a few seconds and then you will be able to see the beats per minute. To end this, simply swipe left. You will get a confirmation message. If you click on the tick icon, it will continue to monitor. Click on the cross icon to successfully end. Number 5. Blood oxygen. The message shown is to wear the watch tightly and make the screen face up. It takes around 10 to 15 seconds to calculate the blood oxygen. And finally, it will show you the oxygen saturation percentage. Number 6. Sleep. As you see, I don't have any data as of now. To track your sleep data, simply wear the watch and go to sleep. Based on your movements, it will automatically track the sleeping time, waking up time, deep sleep and light sleep. Number 7. Settings. You have 4 options in the settings section. The first one is Auto HI Monitor. When you keep it on, it will continuously track your heart rate. Second is DND. If you enable it, you won't be notified about the calls, messages and all the other notifications. Disable it and you start getting the notifications again. Third is brightness. You have 3 options: dimming 1, 2 and 3. The first one with the least brightness and the last one with the most. Finally, the most coolest feature from settings, Find Phone. For this, the watch needs to be connected to the phone and on click, it will ring your phone. How cool is that? Number 8. Records. This keeps track of all the workout sessions from the past. Number 9. Bluetooth music. You can play, pause or change the song playing in your phone. Of course, you have to be connected to the phone for that. Number 10. Alarms. Currently there are none. To set one, go to the app, My Device, My Alarms, Add Alarm. Let's set one for the current time to see how it works. None yet. Okay, we see the alarm now. Let's edit this alarm. And now it shows the updated timing in the watch. As you see, once the time hits, the watch starts vibrating. You can click on Remind Later to switch off the alarm. Number 11. Stopwatch. You have the options to use stopwatch and timer. Number 12. Weather. Click on it to see the weather details. For this one too, the phone has to be connected and location access needs to be provided. Number 13. Watch settings. Dial. You can select the dial from the options listed. However, you can select from the multiple options or create a custom one from the watch face option in the app. Raise to wake. Switching it on will help waking the watch when you move your hands to face level. QR code helps for pairing with the device. System settings has reboot, reset and power off options. About will have the watch hardware related info like device name, Bluetooth name, MAC and model details. And finally, about notifications and calling. As you see, I'm getting a call and the watch is showing the name of the caller. It also vibrates to notify. You have the options to hang up directly or send a message before rejecting. Please note, this watch doesn't support Bluetooth calling, so we won't be able to pick up the call. Once the call hangs up, I get a notification for the missed call. Now about the message. Notifications from any app shows in the screen. You can scroll up, go to the appropriate notification, click on it, and click on delete to clear the notification. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face.